Adjustable keyboards are gaining popularity among typists and gamers for their tactile feel and precise response. Balance bikes are taking over training wheels in the world of early childhood cycling. These pedal-free bikes help toddlers build balance and coordination naturally. In this guide, we evaluate the best balance bikes based on age. Listen: Strider 12-inch sport bike, no-pedal balance bicycle for kids 1 to 4 years. The Strider 12-inch sport bike is one of the most popular balance bikes on the market, and for good reason. It's incredibly lightweight at just 6.7 pounds, making it easy for little riders to maneuver. The adjustable seat and handlebar height allow it to grow with your child from 18 months up to 4 years. The puncture-proof tires eliminate the worry of flats, while the padded seat and handlebar enhance comfort. List number: Kriddo Toddler Balance Bike, 2 to 5 years, 12-inch push bicycle. The Kriddo Toddler Balance Bike stands out with its playful design and included customizable nameplate, which lets kids personalize their bike. Designed for ages 2 to 5, it features a durable carbon steel frame, soft handlebar grips, and a padded seat for a smooth ride. The 12-inch wheels are wide for stability and traction, making it easier for beginners to maintain balance. List 3. Bobike Toddler Balance Bike, adjustable no-pedal training bike, 2 to 5 years. The Bobike Balance Bike is built for toddlers aged 2 to 5, offering a lightweight aluminum alloy frame and cushioned seat for extra comfort. Its standout features are the anti-slip handlebars, shock-absorbing tires, and quick-release seat adjustment, making it a top pick for growing kids. The minimalist design appeals to modern parents, and the ease of assembly is a bonus, with 12-inch EVA foam wheels. List number 4. C-Reed Baby Balance Bike, 1-year-old, 12-24 months, 4-wheel toddler first bike. The C-Reed Baby Balance Bike is perfect for the tiniest of riders. Designed specifically for 1-year-olds. With 4 wheels, this model offers superior stability for early balance development. It's made with safe BPA-free materials, rounded edges, and a soft, comfy seat. The wheels are silent and non-marking, ideal for indoor use. At only 3.6 pounds. It's incredibly lightweight and toddler-friendly. List 5. Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike, 10 to 36 months. No pedal with 4 silent wheels. Looking for a bike that lights up your toddler's face? Literally? The Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike brings excitement with its LED-lit wheels, turning every ride into a mini light show. Designed for kids aged 10 to 36 months, it features 4 quiet, anti-slip wheels and a sturdy yet lightweight frame for easy maneuverability. The extra-wide seat and ergonomic handlebars offer comfort,